Reverend Medora Gordon and I'm here at Unity in Marin. We're having a meet and greet out in front before the presentation of our wonderful premiere performance of Cindy Acker's Reader's Theater that is called Words That Made a Difference, Brown versus the Board of Education. And it is so profoundly important to have the full knowledge and the full background of what's going on. Earl Warren's granddaughter comes to our community, and we're sharing this time with her and with our friends. And I would hope that all of you would join us. Please come if you haven't been here before. This is Unity in Marin. We made the front page of the paper. I'm so excited. This is Debra Warren and her husband, Ken Kosloff, and it is just amazing to have all of this talent here at Unity.